she is, boys. Something sounds fucked up. All right, what's going on, guys? In today's video, well, right now, picking up the old Miata because she was in jail. Van got it. Well, it's not really his fault to get it towed, but
all right, man.
You too. It got towed because it was in someone's way, I guess. So yeah, we got it out now after a headache and Van spending
$273.
Yeah, $270. So yeah, but that's a little update on the old girl. She's been naughty in the week that she's been gone. But I'm gonna meet up with Chris and see what he's up to.
All right, what is going on, guys? A couple days later, about to go rescue Rudnick because he's right now at PBIR, and he calls me and says I forgot to fill the Roadster. And guess where I'm at right now? The gas station. So thank you to Roberto for giving me the jug on the way to go see Christopher right now. And also he forgot his GoPro batteries, his spare ones, so I gotta go to the house and get those too before I go to PBIR. But I stopped recording the other day just because what I wanted to do was do some maintenance for you guys, or show you guys the maintenance being done on my car, on the S14. And then I wanted to take off the valve cover because the valve cover gasket's leaking, but also paint it while Chris was painting his calipers. But that didn't work out because nowhere except like 30 minutes away it had the valve cover gasket in stock. And from when we got the Miata out, I should have just looked it up right then and there. Then I would have picked it up myself, but I was already at the shop and I was like, you know what, I'll just sit here and just enjoy Chris' struggle. So I have all that stuff, all the stuff I need do maintenance on the car. Shout out to Rock Auto, sponsor me. Yeah, so let me get some food first. I'm gonna go over to the right to Zaxby's, something like that. Get some food and then go to the house, pick up the GoPro batteries and go save Chris. All right.
All right, guys, so a couple of days later, today I'm at the shop because today I'm gonna be, I don't know if I will today, but I'm gonna be prepping the driver's side fender and the front bumper for paint matching because it's been killing me. The red is hideous and I need to, at least if I just get it primed today, you know, sand it down. If I need to get Bondo or a body filler, we'll get body filler and then prime it. And then if Tommy can't come today and make the color for me, then we'll just have to wait until I have off again. But it's been killing me. Chris is just lazy and doesn't want to get another one, but I'm going to be replacing this light because everyone knows it's out. And since I don't have the Miata anymore, I still have bulbs that are just sitting in my room. So I'm gonna set you guys up, we'll place that for him, and then we'll start sanding the 240. Pretty sure all you need is a Phillips to do this job. And just like that, headlight is replaced. But the one thing I noticed is that these, oh wow, I didn't even have to replace the headlight like that just because these ones are actually, you can just replace the bulb. I didn't notice that. So these are the Japan ones. So we'll save this. I'll make sure Chris saves this and just tell him to get a new bulb next time, just because the JDM headlights fucking sick. You know, if I knew this, I might have had to switch it out with Chris's a long time ago. But yeah, so now that that's done, I'm gonna open the door, get the sandpaper ready, get the sander if he has it here. If not, I'll just block sand it and get the 240 sanded. All right, for this, I'm gonna take off the front bumper. I just looked up a little video just real quick, just because I'm not too familiar with this car. And video says I gotta take off the headlight, the grill, and it'll expose the bumper bolts on top, and then it should be okay to remove. Got the bolts exposed, two 10 mils on these tabs, and I forgot what else was there. But yeah, removed the grill. Luckily, I didn't break anything from that. Literally just two push clips and the clips down there. Luckily, they didn't break. So let me just keep fidgeting with this, and I'll get the headlights off. Now, the bumper bolts are now exposed. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that I know of so far. And bumper should come right off afterwards. All right, so there were some unseen bolts that the video didn't tell me about. If you guys have a bone stock 240 like I do, under the fender liner right here that connects with the fender, pops right out. And then right here behind the signal light, corner light, there was one right there, and I took those out, and now the bumper looks like it's about to come out. But then again, I still have the splash guard underneath, so I might have to take that out too. Alright, as all you can see, after the time lapse, fender is all nice and sandy, nice and smooth. All the clear coat is nice and smooth, no high or lows. Just gonna clean her off a bit, and then it's pretty much ready for prime. And I could go deeper with a sandpaper grip, but that should be fine. All right, guys, so I didn't want to bore you guys with some more time lapses, but I got the front bumper all sanded, took the fender off. You gotta quickly light sand that, and then about to go to AutoZone and get some primer, just because I thought Chris had some primer here, but he has like maybe 3/4 of a can left, so wanted to prime the bumper and the fender real quick. And then if Tommy gets here, I'm gonna have him make the paint, the champagne gold EM1. For you guys who want to know what this color code is, it's called EM1. It's champagne gold for Nissan. And yeah, so hopefully, well, since I can't really drive this right now, I'm about to take the Ruckus. Shh, don't tell Chris. But yeah, about to take the Ruckus. Hopefully that runs and drives, and about to go AutoZone, like I said, some more primer, and yeah. All right, scratch that. I don't know what's wrong with it. I don't know what Chris was doing with it, but I guess I'm walking. But good thing AutoZone and the gas station is literally like 10 minutes away. So yeah, we're walking. All right, guys, so walking back empty-handed right now, just because don't be like me and forget your wallet. Most important thing to go when you need stuff, you need your wallet. But right now, walking back to the shop, gonna get my wallet, turn back around, get the stuff that I need, and stop at the gas station, get a gallon of water, because today is a hot one. But you guys saw my Instagram story. Shout out to you guys. My Instagram will be right here, var860. There'll be some like updates there if you guys are waiting for like a video, or you guys want to see something that I won't be recording, some like everyday life stuff.
It'll be on there, but let's go back to the shop, go back, get the stuff, and come back. All right, guys, so I'm back at the shop, and this is what I picked up. 2-in-1 fillable filler and sandable primer. Just because there are some paint chips and all that stuff that I wasn't able to sand out, so hopefully that fills in some of the stuff, and then I'll sand it, then spray it again, and then got some mineral spirits just to wipe down before I spray the primer, just so everything's all nice and good, and that could be used later for if Tommy comes and I could spray the actual color. And then got this black perfect match for the lip, just because I actually want it to be different instead of a paint match. So, you know, that would be later. Just bought that for now. And yeah, so let's set up the fender and the bumper, and then we'll get to spraying. All right, so I have the fender and the bumper set. To take some of the mineral spirits, wipe both pieces down, and just go from there. That's why you wipe it down, just so you get the excess stuff that you weren't able to spray off. Primer, shake it up. Coat, always a light coat. I don't want to run. I meant sandable primer, so if it does run, I can sand it down, respray it again, but I want to be safe. I want this to come out semi-legit. Some of you guys can take a heat gun, heat this up too. We'll thin out the paint so it comes out a lot better. Or you put it in a bucket of hot water too. But in Florida, it's fucking hot already. Alright guys, so the fender, the bumper are basically all primed up. I didn't have to go this hard, but I just felt like, why not now? But let it dry up some more, wet sand it a little bit, make it nice and smooth again. And if Tommy does come, he comes. If not, then they'll just be ready. A little update, wet sanding right now. The fender should be pretty much all set. It's nice and smooth, no more texture. You know, it should be ready to be sprayed. I know Dante over here working on the bumper. I'm about to hop on with him so we get it done quicker. And yeah, just now it's just a waiting game if Tommy does come or not. If not, then I'll just put the bumper and fender on, just primered, and that'll be it for now until my next day off or whenever
they're available, we'll spray. All right, so a couple hours later, still been waiting, but no cigar. So right now, about to put the bumper and fender back on, just primed. What I did while I was waiting, I painted the lip, just because I was bored. Painted a little under the side, so it just looks better. And then whenever Tommy's available to mix the paint, or whenever my next day off is, we'll paint it. But for now, just go on prime. Just hopefully nothing gets fucked up during that. But that should be fine. But I'm gonna put the bumper and fender back on right now, and that'll just be it for this video. So this will be part 1 of paint matching the 240. All right, guys. So the bumper is back on, fender's back on. Way better than the red. I mean, you still see some of the red, but you know, once it's painted, there will be no more red. But like I said, it's gonna be part 1 of paint matching the car, and then now I'm just gonna clean up the shop a little bit and then get on with the rest of the day. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hope you guys are excited on S14 content. We're slowly getting into it. It's just right now just waiting on parts, waiting on money, just because, like I said, you know, I work a full-time job, so you know, just racking up parts is what we're doing right now. So put it down in the comments what you guys want to see next. Obviously you're gonna see part 2 coming soon, but subscribe. Oh, and thank you for 10,000 subscribers. I can't thank you guys enough. You know, I've only been doing this for 3 to 4 months now, and you know, I'm slowly but kind of quickly getting out there more. So I really appreciate that. And the 10K celebration, you know, like celebration video will be coming out soon. I just gotta think of things to do. I posted on my Instagram asking what you guys would want to see for my 10K celebration, and some of you guys have some good ideas, some of you guys are just saying random stuff to me, but I think that's gonna be it. So I'll see you guys in the next one.